team. It's been a very long time since we've talked about Ethel. I've had a very long break and I'm just going to turn you around and show you what I'm back at. Right, gonna have a go. Just a little bit today, just to, dip my toe in it. So I've got these tools, tack hammer and tacks for the exposed parts. And then I bought a new tool today. My arthritic fingers don't like stapling, so plug her in and blow her up. And anything that's hidden, I'll be able to just with my machine, Pew, 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 pew. So I'm gonna start, and I'm starting with covering the bottom, which is just fine as it is, but a little more padding from my Doris chair will make my Ethel chair softer, even though there's gonna be a big fat thick cushion on top. And I'm gonna use my drop cloth fabric and cover that over and just try to tack it. I'm not sure if this hard old wood will accept my tacks easily, but I'm going to go all the way around the three sides and then tuck it in the front. I got three in the middle. So I'm going to go over to the other side, pull it tight, fold it over. Well, cut a bunch off, fold it over and try again. These little tacks tend to bend. They've got such tiny little tips. Tend to bend. It's going to be a joy. Okay, I got three on this side as well. But if you look closely, I had my troubles. Here and here. Yeah. And here they are. All bent out of shape. Like, let's see, where's my hand? Bent. Hard work. Maybe they're too long. Maybe I just need to just get in that learning curve. Or maybe it's just going to be hellish. That's why I've been a little leery about this whole thing. A little nervous putting it off, but I'm in it now. Looks good at a glance, but we've split the wood. We've split the wood along here. That's not nice. And with these screws, these little tacks, it goes from bad to worse. Look at these things. I would try the patience of a saint. And I hurt my finger. Yeah, I slammed it once. But yeah, I've got to go get something a little shorter maybe so it won't, 3/4 of an inch. Maybe too long? Maybe that's why it's splitting and just getting off track. I'll go see if I can grab some more at the Home Hardware real quickly. Wish me luck. I got these little guys. A lot shorter than those buggers. So let's have a go with these. Well, hallelujah, that one went in okay. These number 6s are the ticket. Those 4 went in nice and straight. Woohoo! I'm on a roll. Here's where I'm at. Ethel's on her back with her legs in the air again. Let's show you. I got the seat base, for under the pillow, under the cushion. I got that on. Now I'm trying to fit a piece on here, and in this case I have left. This is the only bit that I left some upholstery on, and I scrubbed it and cleaned it and descented it. But now I've got something to kind of like hook my little whatnots to, my little pins, so I can kind of like fit that on there somewhat. And these little nail things are going on pretty good. But you've got to stretch it all evenly, so it's fun still. Fun. Scary fun. So far, so good. Ooh. That's the prettiest part of the chair. That is going to show, that's going to be one of the features, this whole bit of wood and those little guys. They just look so cute. A little bit tacky. That's a pun. And then I get into these hard corners and it's going to be tricky to get, you know, around these lumpy things. It's going to be a bunch of fabric pulling and folding and a bit of screaming, maybe some praying. I had to take a sanity break because it was so tricky, and I noticed I was leaving little drops of something called blood from friction on my right hand. Didn't even notice it. I was always doing this. I wore it right down to the skin. This finger, other hand, that was caused by my good friend, this little tiny tack hammer. It's amazing. One little tap yesterday. Lovely. So we'll clean up the debris, the blood bath, the debris field, and then we'll tug a bit more and try and get one more nail in and then take another sanity break. It would be easy if I was just putting it over the top and tacking it on top like a lot of people do and leaving it all frayed, just chop in the excess fabric, but I'm trying to tuck it in and make it look tailored. Silly me. Cancel the engineer. I figured out the best idea is to just chew away at the fabric behind. Just chew away at it until you get less of it. Then you can get more pull and stretch and flexibility. So remove, you know, don't have it folded over way out there. Bring it in so you just have a little strip. Much more flexible. Carrying on. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, look at this. It's a little lumpy, a little rumply, but you know, it's supposed to be rough and ready. Deconstructed. Let's have a look. Oh, goodness. With a lot of tucking and a word that rhymes with tucking, I managed to get this up and over. I've got a couple of tacks in under there. The rest is just kind of held by gravity and goodwill. Thanks, Ethel. I think that'll be fine. I don't really want to have any exposed fasteners there, and I certainly didn't want to stitch it with a machine. I just wanted to stay put. But yeah, not so bad. That's the worst of it. Look at that. Elegant rusticity, don't you think? I added a little more stuffing on these outer edges. I shoved some stuff in to make it look cushy. All right, that is it. That's enough for today. Arrivederci.